Hi, today I'm going to show you how to navigate the To-Do page in Google Classroom. First, go to Google Classroom. Here you will see the class cards for your classes. And I can see that I have 3 classes that I'm teaching at the bottom, and I have classes in which I'm enrolled in at the top. Now, as a student, I can go directly to my to-do list here at the to-do list icon. But since I want to show you how you can access it via the main menu, I'm going to go above that to those 3 bars next to Google Classroom. This will pull down a menu in which I can see the classes that I'm enrolled in, as well as the to-do list, and the classes I'm teaching, as well as the review list, which is like your teacher's review to-do list. I'm going to click on To Do as a student, and I can see the work that's been assigned to me that I have not completed yet, or it has not been returned yet. I can see the work that I may have missing, and I can also see the work that has been completed. This assignment here has been turned in, whereas this assignment here has been turned in, graded, and returned. I can also zero in on a particular class if I go up to All Classes and pull down the menu. Now, as a teacher, I'm going to go back up to the main menu next to Do and click on To Review under Teaching. And you can see all my classes and all the work in progress. To make it easy on myself, I'm just going to click on one class, and there we can see the work I have in progress currently. I can see that I have none that are turned in that I need to grade. I can still see that I have 1 assignment that's assigned but has not been turned in, and I have 2 that are graded. Now I can move my assignment here over to the reviewed page when I'm finished grading the assignments for that particular assignment. And I see that I have 1 here that I moved to the reviewed page. You should take note that I have moved it to the reviewed page, but there is still 1 that's assigned that has not been turned in and has not been graded. So I would not recommend that you move an assignment to the review page if you're not completely done grading students' assignments, because you cannot undo it or send it back to the review page.